phenomenal in this competition. And it's a tough job for the other goalkeeper, Mohammad Asif, who has replaced Mehdi Hassan, who went out of this game because of an injury, has been taken to the hospital. And it will be a tough penalty shootout. One of the team will progress to the final, the other one going back home. Everybody in the stadium are up on their feet. Still to go. It's going to be India who will be taking the first penalty. And it will be the first penalty taker, the substitute, Gangte, who will be taking the first penalty for India.
Guru Singh Taurem is brought out. This is a do-or-die situation for both the teams.
Well, it's Mohammad Asif versus Gangte. What's it gonna be? Where is he gonna shoot? And that has been blocked by Mohammad Asif. Well, who would have thought the substitute goalkeeper, the goalkeeper who came on crisis, would make a save? And this is a big talking point for Bangladesh.
He kisses the heavens, the goalkeeper, quite rightly so. Excellently stopped there by the goalkeeper. And it was a disguise there by the goalkeeper. And this time, it's Bangladesh's turn to capitalize on this moment. Piyush Nova, he has one goal for himself as he scored against Maldives in the first game. The second goal that was. Piyush Nova is here. I beg your pardon, it was Sri Lanka against whom he scored. Piyush Nova now. And Piyush scores it. Piyush Nova with the goal and an advantage there for Bangladesh here. Wonderfully struck there, right onto the middle. And the goalkeeper had no chance there.
What a confident shot. He knew the goalkeeper was going either way. He took the central route and thumped the ball back of the net. Now, talk about this goalkeeper, Mohammad Asif, who was the second choice keeper but made a fine save to lift his team spirit in the very first penalty of the game. Now, it's going to be Pramveer, who has come back into this game after the red card suspension. For the second, Pramveer versus Mohammad Asif. Oh, that one was coolly taken by Pramveer. The goalkeeper heading in the right direction but couldn't get the elevation. Wonderful positioning by Pramveer.
It's 1-1 here. Paramveer with the left footer. Puts it away. Wonderfully taken. The goalkeeper had no chance there. It was right on to the top corner. It's now the number 21 for Bangladesh coming on to take Moinul Islam. Moinul Islam with an opportunity here to take Bangladesh up front. And a save and a goal. That was quite unlucky for Priyansh Dubey. He could have done better, the goalkeeper. Moinul Islam scores.
He went the right way, but too much of power on that ball by Moinul Islam. That didn't allow the goalkeeper to stop the ball. Have a look from the other angle. Had some touch on it, but it's going to be India now, who are on a bit of a pressure. It's going to be Gori who will be taking that shot. Goyari versus Mohammad Asif. 2-1 at the moment. Goyari takes it clean. The goalkeeper trying to confuse the player, but the player comes out clean at the moment. India score this time.
Gokam Sher Koyari with the score, with the goal here, as he has always delivered.
Well, what a shot that was. The goalkeeper trying to confuse the opposition. The rules of football has changed, especially in the penalty after the 2022 World Cup.
Shakil Topu now with an opportunity to take Bangladesh ahead. Shakil Topu could be this. Shakil with a goal. His prayers have been answered. Shakil Topu with a goal here. And if the goalkeeper stops this one, it's done and dusted for India.
What a game this. What a game this. It's going to be Manjot Singh Parmar will be taking the kick. One save of the ball. One last save of the ball is required for Bangladesh to go to the semi-final. What is it going to be? Is it going to be Mohammad Asif once again, just like it was the Nepali goalkeeper in the previous game, Jairat Sheikh? Can Mohammad Asif do it once again? He's done it before. Mohammad Asif. Oh, that is a beautiful goal by the number 6.
It is the final moment. This can be the turning point. This can be the winning goal. Captain Ashraful Asif comes in for a final blow against India.
Well, we've heard about legends. That is an easy shot. That is an advantage.
Well, that was that for Bangladesh here. And it's now India's turn to take the penalty here. Akash Tirke, he has to score this. Otherwise, India are out of the tournament from the semi-finals. Akash Tirke! Bangladesh are off to the final stage of this tournament.